In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach inbox 0 in Notion. The big idea is simple. Get messages out of your main inbox as soon as you read them, either by deleting them, responding right away, or turning them into tasks or calendar events you'll handle later. Notion makes each of those choices clear and trackable. If you like a visual workflow, start by creating a new Kanban board in your Notion workspace. Add 3 columns to represent your email status: to do, doing, and done. Then make a card for each email that requires follow-up and move it across the board as you work. You can title the card with the subject, jot down what needs to happen, and paste the email link for quick access. As soon as you finish the action, drop the card into Done. This method gives you an at-a-glance view of what's pending, what's in progress, and what's completed, which can be really motivating when the list gets long. Prefer a straightforward triage routine? Use Notion for tasks and reference. When you open an email, decide what to do on the spot. If it's irrelevant or promotional, delete it and move on. If you can answer it in under 2 minutes, reply immediately so it never lingers. If it needs more time, defer it by creating a task in Notion. Give the task a clear title, a brief description of the next action, and, if helpful, a due date. If it's time-specific, turn that task into a calendar event in Notion so it shows up when you need to work on it. For messages you'll want to revisit but don't need to act on, create a reference page in Notion. Store the email content or link there, and organize it with simple sections or tags so it's easy to find later. If you have access to Notion Mail, set it up and take advantage of its built-in tools to speed this up. Use filters to separate categories like social or promotions so important messages surface first. Apply labels and tags to sort by project or urgency. When you're ready to clear a chunk of messages, use checkboxes to select several at once and archive or delete them in a batch. This keeps your inbox light without micromanaging individual emails. Whichever method you choose, the goal stays the same. Make a quick decision for every email and push it out of your inbox. With Notion as your command center, inbox 0 becomes a repeatable habit rather than a one-time cleanup.